In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert an estimate into an invoice in FreshBooks. If you've already created an estimate and your client is ready to move forward, FreshBooks makes it very easy to turn that estimate into an invoice without having to start from scratch. This helps save time, reduces manual entry, and makes sure the details stay consistent between the estimate and the final bill. To begin, sign in to your FreshBooks account. Once you're in, look over to the left-hand menu and click on Estimates. This will take you to the section where all of your saved estimates are listed, so you can quickly find the one you want to work with. Next, locate the estimate you'd like to convert. If you have several estimates in your account, take a moment to confirm you're selecting the correct one before moving on. This is especially helpful if you have similar projects or multiple clients. When you've found the right estimate, click the More menu, shown by the three dots beside that estimate. From the options that appear, select Convert to Invoice. As soon as you do that, FreshBooks will automatically create a new invoice using the details from the estimate. This means key information such as the client details, products or services, pricing, and other related fields will already be carried over for you. Now that the invoice has been created, it's important to review everything carefully. Go through the invoice information and check the client, the invoice date, the due date, the line items, any taxes, and the total amount. Even though FreshBooks fills in the details automatically, it's always a good idea to make sure everything looks correct before saving or sending it out. If you notice anything that needs to be updated, go ahead and make your changes. This could include adjusting quantities, updating dates, editing descriptions, or confirming tax settings. Taking a few extra seconds here can help prevent confusion and make sure your client receives an accurate invoice. Once everything looks good, you have two options. You can click Save if you want to keep the invoice in your account and send it later, or click Send to if you're ready to email it directly to your client right away. Choose the option that best fits your workflow. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully converted an estimate into an invoice in FreshBooks. This is a simple but powerful feature that can help streamline your billing process and keep your invoicing organized.